Here is the motor. I had to pull the head off in order to pull a exhaust stud out because it broke on the inside. And this is what you find. I mean, it's a junk motor. I didn't expect this much carnage, but I found a nice piece of ice in there. Yeah, see, it's right, conformed right to the piston. Well, all that. So what I got to do is I got to get this thing unstuck. It is what it is. What am I going to do to actually make the motor spin so I can use it just as a basic parts motor? Is I'm just going to clean it up with a wire wheel, blow out all the shit, and just fill it full of vinegar. The vinegar is going to take most of the rust off. Then I'm going to drain the vinegar back out, pull the head back off, drain the vinegar out, and then I'm going to put ATF and acetone in there. The acetone basically thins out the ATF so it gets into all little nooks and crannies of the piston rings, and then the acetone actually evaporates and just leaves the automatic transmission fluid. So it lubricates the cylinder walls up and down. Whether or not it's going to work, it's like a 50-50 shot. I love using these old style techniques, but, will it work on a modern motor? We'll see what happens. But let me first wire wheel this out, and then I'm going to blow it out and fill it with it. Probably wondering how I'm going to get this Audi engine unstuck, because man, it is stuck solid. I've probably put 300-400 foot-pounds on a breaker. I broke a breaker bar trying to get this thing unstuck. So, you know what? Who gives a shit about it? So I'm going to use an old tried and true method to get this thing up: hydraulic ram pressure. All right, this is it. Yep, I'm going to use a hydraulic ram to pop this thing down. Wow, that broke it. That was nerve-wracking. All right, well, the engine hopefully will now move.